Egypt's S1 governorate, the Abydos 300 MWh battery energy storage system, developed by AMEA Power, marks a major step forward in North Africa's clean energy transition. This facility is an extension of the company's operational 500 million watt solar PV plant commissioned in December 2024. It is Egypt's first utility-scale solar and storage integrated facility, specifically designed to enhance grid stability and support the country's clean energy transition. The Abydos project showcases Trina Storage's ability to deliver safe, intelligent, and reliable systems designed to meet the demands of utility-scale applications with speed and reliability, while supporting Egypt's Vision 2030 renewable energy goals and national energy security efforts.
In the last 10 years, Trina Storage is leading the global energy transition through storage, enabling a more resilient and sustainable energy future. Trina Storage worked to develop full storage solution for utility scale, considering extremely high temperatures and complex power grid environment. As an exclusive energy storage partner, Trina Storage supplied its advanced Elementa 2 platform. The platform covers the full scope from in-house LFP battery cells and DC compartments in the AC side, enabling seamless connection in the national grid.
Trina Storage's Elementa 2 system is specifically engineered for desert environments with high energy density, smart liquid cooling, modular design, and advanced safety features. It ensures long-term performance and reliability under harsh climatic conditions, from early customization of the solution to match the harsh desert environment, to the timely delivery of all system components and seamless installation. Every stage demonstrated Trina Storage's integrated capabilities and deep regional understanding.
We are proud to partner with Trinasolar to bring this landmark market storage project online, strengthening the resilience of Egypt's electricity grid while supporting the country's renewable energy ambition.
The successful execution of the 300 MWh BESS project was made possible by the round-the-clock efforts of Trina Storage's technical and project teams, as well as close coordination with strategic partners. Trina Storage is leading the global energy transition through storage, enabling a more resilient and sustainable energy future.